In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can join the Discord server for Bake or Die here in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and back out of the game. If you do have it opened, you can actually do this while you're in the game itself. So go ahead and back out. And once you back out, open up the games page. Once you're on the games page, just scroll down a little bit. You're looking for the social section. It's going to have a little Discord logo on it. You essentially need to select that Discord logo and then hit continue. And in a web browser, it's going to open up a page that looks something like this where you need to hit accept invite. So hit accept invite. Once you do that, it'll redirect you into Discord. And then, of course, on that left-hand sidebar, you are going to see Bake or Die on here. We need to go ahead and hit update roles on Rover, and that will go ahead and verify your, Roblox account is linked to your Discord account so that you get the rewards in-game as well and get access to the rest of the server. But that's actually the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.